welcome back to my channel. So today let me discuss how to phrase the given expressions in simple and easy way, how to solve the given problem within the given fraction of seconds. Today I'll explain you. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, and do subscribe to my channel and hit a bell icon for more updates. Let me start up the class now. Here we have factorize the expressions. So here the question we have 5x square y minus 15x y square. So how to factorize? Solution we have like this. Here you check. Here 5, here 15 is there. Check there which is the highest number that factorize this and this number. Okay. In 5 was the table, even we can find 5 as well as 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. So in that way you have to split the given term. So let me explain. So first write the given question 5x square y minus 15x y square. Now 5 ones are 5 itself. So 5 ones are 5 into x square we can write as x into x into here is y, so take y minus so 5 3s are 15. So already 5 is here, so I can take 5 3s are 15. Why 5 only, ma'am? Why not other number? See here 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. I can get a common number 5, so that I have taken 5 here into x into y square. Y square means the number has to be multiplied twice. Other variable y into 1. Now you check which are the factors you can find common. 5 x y. These are the factors are common in both the terms. So I am going to take out 5x y. Put it in, and after that the remaining factors you have to write it in the brackets. So 5x y already I have taken common. The remaining is 1 into x. 1 into x is x minus, and 3 into y. 3 into y is 3y. This is how you need to simplify the given expression. Now let me explain. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. How we have to simplify this problem? So first step, write the given expression. Then check which are the terms you can find common. So here xy x is a vector, so you can take common. So what I'll do is these two x square x. If I consider these two terms, I can take x outside. So x common I can take. So I'm going to split x square as x into x plus xy as x into y plus 8x. So 8 into x plus 8y as 8 into y. Now you see in these two terms, x I can find common. Here also x, here also x. So this x and this x I can find common. So I am going to take outside. The remaining numbers you have to put it inside the brackets. So x is there. Left out factor is x plus x. Already we have taken common. Y is left out. Right, y. Close the bracket. Now we'll move to this. Here plus is there. Take plus. 8x plus 8y. In these two terms, you can find 8 common. 8 here also 8. So take 8 outside, and the left out factors you have to enter inside the brackets or the parenthesis. So x plus 8 already have taken, y is left out, y. See in this x plus y, they are same. So which are the expressions are common, or which are the terms are common, you can take it one side. Here x plus y, x plus y is same, so I am taking one time. And the left over terms, which are the left over terms now? X is here, x and plus 8. That you have to put it in the brackets. So I hope you understood the concept. Keep watching my videos. Please support. Thank you.